it's Bulls. It's Lexus Girl with the morning announcements. Today is Tuesday, August 30th, 2022. Thought of the day is lack of faith that makes people afraid of meeting challenges. And I believe it in myself. Mechanical Ollie. Everyone loves a good day at the beach, right? Celebrate your infinity for the coast on August 30th. National Beach Day started in 2014. This holiday raises our awareness of the beauty of beaches while also calling attention to keeping them clean and safe. Lunch today is chicken patty sandwich, garden bar, fresh or canned fruit. Weather today is sunny with a high of 83 degrees. With the Ben Ranch Elementary School Field Day happening on Thursday, there are still some classes that will need to get their handprints on their shirts. On Wednesday, the following classes that need to bring their shirts into are Miss Tester, Miss Janetti, Miss Hoffman, Miss Davis, Miss Martin, first grade. Bathroom reminder. Voices off all in one trip. Restroom hands, wash hands, get out, get drink, soap and water on hands and nowhere else. Report any messes. One boy and girl at a time from each class. Sign in, sign out from hallway SOP. Go before explores, 3 strikes and you're out. Everyone, make sure that you are following the SOPs. Everyone, have a great day. And remember, Bulls lead the way.